This wonderful mini horse farm is located minutes from Columbus and Tryon, North Carolina. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath cottage-style home has hardwood floors, ceramic tile, a screened-in porch, nestled in a private setting. There is some parture and a 2-stall barn with a separate hayloft and storage shed. The barn is equipped with electricity and water. This wonderful mini farm is across from the Foothills Equestrian Trail Association. This is a great buy at $319,000. Call Karen McIntyre today at 828-817-00414 showing today.